street number is 207127. For this video, I am going to demonstrate an experiment under topic 16, which is sound and hearing. So, the title in this experiment is Singing Glasses. There are two objectives in this experiment. The first one is to demonstrate how different sounds are made, and the second one is to measure the frequency produced with different level of water. Without wasting any time, let's get started. These are the apparatus needed in the experiment. For the first one is water with a different level. This one is 50 ml. This one is 100 ml. This one is 150 ml, and this one is 200 ml. 4 empty glass jar and 4 different of food coloring to differentiate the level of water. So, let's start our experiment. First one is pour the water into the glass jar. Okay, the first one is 50 ml. Next is 100 ml. This one is 150 ml, and this one is 200 ml. Next step is put the food coloring in the water. And then stir the mixture. Okay. The purpose why I put the food coloring into the water is to differentiate the level of water. For the last step, I will be using this application to measure the frequency produced. For last step, wet your finger and then rub it around the rim glass while pressing down gently. So, when you press down gently, you will hear the sound produced. Then, when you hear the sound produced, open the application to measure the frequency. And then, this is the result of frequency when the water level is 50 ml. For 100 ml, do as same as 50 ml. Wet your finger and then rub it around the rim of glass. And then open the application to measure the frequency. This one is frequency when the level of water is 100 ml. For 150 ml, do as same as before. Wet your finger and rub it around the rim of glass. And then open the application to measure the frequency. So, this is the frequency when level of water is 150 milliliter. Lastly, for 200 milliliter, wet your finger and rub it around the rim glass, just like before. And then open the application to measure the frequency. For the last one, this is the frequency when level of water is 200 milliliter. Then, repeat this experiment 3 times to get the accurate value. After completing this experiment 3 times, it can be seen that the frequencies produced are different. Let me show the difference between the 4 levels of water. This one is for 50 milliliter. Next is 100 milliliter. This one is for 150 milliliter. And last one is 200 milliliter. As can be seen, the frequency produced are various according to the amount of water in glasses. So, it can be concluded that when amount of water in glass is less, the frequency produced is higher, and when the amount of water in glass is more, the frequency produced is lower. That's all my demonstration experiment in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!